So this is the place that there are so many snails, African snail and Japanese snail living inside this area. And usually they go up to the top of the banana tree, and sometimes they go inside the leaves, the dead leaves over there, and sometimes on the tree. It's very impressive. Okay, let's go check. Usually they not go up and they stay on the ground. My God, African snail. Yeah. This is a freaking land snail. See? Very smaller. Look at this place, it's very quiet and also interesting here. Ooh. Okay. Oh my God, giant millipede. This. So big, everyone. Oh my God, it's so big. Let's check under this banana. Ooh. Wow, snail. Oh, a snail. A lot of snail, everyone. Let's check it here. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Ooh. Oh my God, snail everywhere, everyone. Millipede. Wow, interesting. Hi guys, I am come here to find the insect, the millipede in this rainforest again. And let's look at here how the big forest is, and now the mosquito start follow me all the time in this area. This is the best place to find the giant African millipede that they always walk around in this rainforest. But if you come here, you need to be careful. You need to wear the long hair and shirt and also long pants, so it can protect us from the mosquito. Ooh, everyone is. Ooh. This is the big giant millipede. Oh my God! Okay. So the millipede actually hiding themselves under the small tree here. So we need to be checked under the small tree, small plant. Okay, let's catch them. Oh, okay. And millipede has a special sense. You see, so many mosquitoes here, and so you dare to touch this giant millipede with your hand. If you're afraid of them, you need to have a chopstick or any equipment. But I catch them every day, so that's why I'm not afraid of these big bugs anymore. Oh, when they walk on my hand, it feels a bit scary, everyone. Look at the legs, it looks like a sharpened weapon. Oh, and the sharpened tail here is also the weapon of this giant millipede. Oh, okay. This is very, very big, everyone. And I'm sure you guys are afraid of this insect. Oh my God. Look how big they are. You see here? Oh. So the size of this giant millipede is almost the same as my thumbnails. See? It's almost the same size. Ooh. it's really amazing. Here the mosquito here want to bite me. Okay, now let's put this giant millipede into my box. Okay, let's walk along here and find more insects under the small leaf here. You need to be observed slowly by slowly and check it clearly. Ooh, I see another one, everyone. I see another one. Ooh, wow, this one is the red color. It's a bit red. Ooh, see. So the giant millipede have many kinds of color and also the size. So the previous one is the biggest, I think, because this one is smaller, and this is also the giant millipede. But if you see the color and also the size, it's really different. And some of the mountain, the millipede are divided into the group because the red color live in the same place, and also the black color they live in the other place. Oh, so now this millipede are trying to find a way out from my hand. You see the two on the heads of them. It's a sense of this insect. I don't know if they species this millipede into the insect or animal, but I can call them the insect, the giant bugs here. So yeah. So I love this one because the color is more beautiful. It's more beautiful than the previous one, and it's not so big, and so I don't scare it. So I feel not scared at all. But you see the legs. That's very amazing. So the legs may be around 300 to 500 legs. All this, and see there. Oh, that's very impressive. So don't let your kids touch this insect at your house because they may cause danger to your kids. Okay. So this is the bamboo, the forest bamboo, and the animal in the forest love to hiding themselves. Oh, I see a dragonfly. I was trying to catch this dragonfly. Here, you see over there. Oh, the camera is not clear. Oh, it fly away. Okay, now let's go explore more of the millipede around this area alone. Oh, the hole over there, but it's a big hole and also in the deep forest, so I don't dig into this hole. Oh, everyone, there's too many mosquitoes. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. So if you want to come inside the forest, I recommend you to bring the protector or spray to protect yourself from the mosquito. Oh, okay, I see the rock over here. Let's open if there are any insect hiding, because the mountain scorpion love to hiding under the rock. Yeah. Oh, oh, everyone. Of course. You see, there are mountain scorpion over here. Yes. Okay, let's look at here. Ooh. 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 Oh, the small millipede and the big millipede over there. So now let's catch the small one first. This millipede very beautiful when they close up, you see. So they curl up around the head inside. Oh, what's they doing? Oh, everyone. Oh my god. The millipede meet each other and start fighting. Oh my god, this one is very big. Unbelievable. So you see the saliva the white one is the saliva, and when they fight each other, it always release this one side. See here. Oh my god, it's so rare to see the giant millipede fight, everyone. It's not all the time you come here and can see it. Oh my god. Okay, let's see it closer. I will show you here. So they use the big hair to bite each other one. Oh, the millipede also have flea on the body, everyone. A lot of millipede flea. Oh my god. Yeah. So when they're busy to fight, they don't care about us at all. Okay, now let's move on, everyone. Let's move on up there. You see, the forest is so quiet, but the popular is mosquito. Mosquito are popular here. And now it's raining, everyone. You hear the sound? The rain has coming. So I need to be quicker. Okay, let's check under this plant. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's nothing. Ooh, ooh. So I'm right. Millipede always hiding themselves under the small plant here. So you come to find the millipede, you need to check this kind of place. Okay. So the millipede, many mosquito, everyone. It's so hurt here. I can't stand no more. Maybe I need to be ready to go out, because if I stay here for longer, it may cause me an illness because of the mosquito. So these millipede are beautiful and look like in the pet. If you can raise them as the pet, it's very wonderful and very impressive. See, they are nice and no harm you. It's rarely bite the human. You see, this is the nice bug. Oh, okay. But if you're scared, you try to catch them from more often, and you will used to touch this one. Okay. Ooh, mosquito. Okay, now let's go find more. Open more of this leaves. This place looks amazing. Ooh, wow, the bugs here. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, that's walking so fast here. Oh, this one is amazing. I never see this bug running so fast like this. You see? Wow. This is the wood bug. Oh my god. Hey, where is it? Maybe they're angry with me. Okay, now let's move on here. Ooh. Oh my god. This is so great. Great finding. This is my lucky time to find a mountain creature here. Ooh, how do you feel? Do you want to feel how the taste is like? Yeah, like this. Put it walk like this. Ooh, you hear the sound? It's not clear. Ooh, it's amazing. It's not clear at all. So now the mosquito bite me a lot, everyone. So I need to go outside, and hope you guys love watching this video, and support by click like, comment, and share your idea below, and where you're from, and do you have any kind of this insects in your country. Okay, let's see you on my next video, and hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you.